Unlike this guy who wanted to watch it burn.
We're here at the former Rainbow Springs resort grounds, and she's frowning for some reason. Although I really didn't know that until I glanced over at you, so we're here to...
sad, they burnt the rest of it down, morons.
We're here to check the last remains in person with our little eyeballs here. And
we're saying goodbye to it in peace. Walking off that damn mac and cheese.
yeah, fork in the road. Highly recommended.
Gourmet mac and cheese, and no, this is not a sponsored video. True opinion.
Here, hotel. What was here? Like a bar, hall, some shit?
No, that was the main entrance where you checked in.
God damn. I didn't know there's that many walls inside this place. Let alone a chimney. I guess a chimney we knew about. Jeez. That is unbelievable. The wall just toppled over. Oh man, I tell ya. Those were green. Now it's like red.
A few moments later.
I need your help. Here, just tape around it. Sorry. It's a good thing I had some.
Yeah, never go anywhere with this one.
What? Hey.
How's that?
Most women would go home. I'm fine.
Yeah, you're right. See, I'd be worried about nails and shit. Like, that's probably about it. Even under this header makes me a little nervous.
I don't think I'd stand on there.
There's a hot water heater. Some sewer pipe over yonder. Look at twisted beam. I mean, that's a beam. Twisted.
Yeah, I know. It's weird to
Twisted.
see the beams like...
Twisted and warped and mangled.
warped, yeah.
She was hot.
It smoldered for a good few nights after that. Insulation.
Piece of Rainbow Springs right here, 1960s baby. All right, it's time to fly this bitch.
If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be nowhere. If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be nowhere. If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be nowhere. If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be nowhere. wasn't you, I would be
We came, we saw, we flew, right?
Look at myself.
Luckily I had electrical tape
Lucky I had
and a lens wipe.
That's mine.
I know, but you had the lens wipe, I had the electrical tape in my bag.
Yeah. We came from
We make a good team, these
Smush.
two.